Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a refund from Savana. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, the process that I'm going to show you varies depending on the specific brand or store you've purchased from. And before we start, we need to take into account their refund policy, which is items must be unused in original packaging and returned within 14 days of delivery. So if you're outside of that date, you will not be able to make a return, but you can still follow this process and you might be lucky if it's, say, if it's 3 or 4 weeks from the delivery. So now the process is pretty simple. The best way to get a return is to simply email Savana. So I'm going to open up my emails. And here's their email that you need to send them. So it's support@savana.com. And then in the subject line, put request for refund, order number, your order. And now from here, this is just a script I've got here to send to them. So you can copy this script if you like, edit it, tweak it, but it goes along the lines of Dear Savana customer support. I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to request a refund for my recent order. Then put in your order number, placed on order date. Unfortunately, then briefly explain the issue, etc. And if you got any photos or anything like that, add that to the email as well. And also down the bottom here, make sure to add in your full name, your email address, your phone number and shipping address, but the last two are optional. Then from there, hit send. Then you should hear back from Savana within 24 to 48 hours.